Joe Beermaster here. We have a 2007 Ford Explorer. On this side we have one of the marker turn signal lights out. I'm going to show you how to change that bulb if you need to. If you need to change the headlight, you can either take the battery out and reach from the back. Same thing with the passenger side. You can take this breather box and reach in, which is very difficult. But the best way to do this is take the headlamp assembly out, and it comes out very easy. It's a 10mm bulb here, and there's one down in there where you'll need an extension, just 3. So on this side, we loosened it. Hold that for me. We loosened it, we took them out, and you just pull it out gently. And you basically twist this out. We're going to put the new bulb in. We already took it out. Here's the old one. That's dead. Before you change, when you pop the bulb out, you'll see there's a little number here. So you have to replace the bulb with the same number. You can take, or you can take it to your auto supply house and they'll match it up. All right, so we're going to plug it in. It works. We already tested it for the turn light. And we're going to screw it in. Now you got to watch. There's little guides here. One's a little bigger and there's 2 shorter ones. So we have to fit it in exactly back here. And we're going to, once it goes in, you twist it. And once that goes in, nice and tight, we're going to sneak this light back in. There's little pins on the side, so you have to line the pins up too. All right, once everything's lined up nice, we're going to put the bolts back in. 10mm bolts. Like I said, there's 3 of them. And then we're going to tighten them all up. And then everything will be nice. So that's real easy to get out. 3 bolts.